Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting portfolio update. This month has been a doozy with significant market movements and some strategic adjustments on my end. The market has seen a fair share of ups and downs, keeping investors like us on our toes. Despite the volatility, I'm excited to share some positive developments in my portfolio. Let's dive into the latest details and see how things are shaping up. As of now, my total portfolio value stands strong at $7,986. This is mainly made up of ETFs valued at $7,768 with the remaining $200 in cash. The portfolio's performance has been impressive, gaining 11.67% year to date. Considering this portfolio was established on January 12, 2024, the growth we've seen in just a few months is encouraging. The disciplined approach and strategic choices are clearly paying off. With all that being said, let's break down the core of my portfolio. Firstly would be the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, which remains a key component of my investments and many others. I currently hold 6.4 shares with an average cost of $474.80 per share. The market value has risen to $3,275, giving me an unrealized gain of $234 or 7.71% gain. This ETF is expected to generate me an annual income of $42. VOO makes up 42.1% of my portfolio, and the ETF's broad exposure to the top 500 US company provides a solid foundation and stability, capturing the overall growth of the market. Representing 32.3% of my portfolio is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, or SCHD. I hold 31.8 shares with a market value of $2,512 with an average cost of $77.60. It has an unrealized gain of $38.90 with a 1.57% gain. I've covered this many times, but SCHG focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies, blending income with growth potential and offering steady cash flow. What's also great about SCHG is its focus on sustainability and quality. The companies in this ETF are known for the reliable dividends, making it a key source of steady income. Making up 24.9% of my portfolio is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, or VYM. I hold 16 shares with a market value of $1,938, showing an unrealized gain of $72.75, with a 3.90% gain altogether, with a glorious average cost of $116.39. As we've discussed in multiple videos before, VYM targets high dividend yield stocks, providing a strong income stream and enhancing the portfolio's income potential. VYM is a great addition because it focuses on companies that pay higher dividends, which boosts the overall income from my investments. This ETF adds a nice layer of cash flow, which is always beneficial. With all that being said, guys, you're probably wondering about my strategy and what I've been doing this month thus far. Well, I've stuck to my dollar cost averaging strategy, contributing $200 weekly to the portfolio. This disciplined approach has added up to $800 for the month, ensuring steady and consistent investment growth. Dollar cost averaging allows me to navigate market volatility effectively, buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high, thus averaging out the cost over time. It's all about consistency and taking advantage of the market's natural fluctuations. Receiving dividends is always a highlight. This month, VOO contributed $10.33 and SCHD provided $24.10, with VYM bringing in $14.91, totaling $49.34 in dividends. All these dividends have been reinvested, helping to compound the growth of my portfolio. Reinvesting these dividends accelerates the compounding effect, enhancing the long-term growth potential of my investments. The expected annual income from these dividends is $190.60, and seeing these dividend payments come in is a great reminder of the power of passive income, and every little bit adds up over time. I've been quite active this month with several strategic buys. On July 9th, I purchased shares of SCHD, shares of VYM, and shares of VOO. Similar transactions were made on July 8th and July 1st, maintaining a balanced and consistent approach to my investments. These purchases align with my strategy to bolster positions in these core ETFs, leveraging market opportunities to buy at favorable prices. The idea is to keep strengthening my positions in these reliable ETFs to maximize future growth. Looking back, my portfolio ended May with a value of $6,152 and grew to $7,410 by the end of June. This steady growth trajectory highlights the effectiveness of my investment strategy and the positive market conditions. The consistent contributions and strategic reinvestments have propelled the portfolio's growth, demonstrating the power of disciplined investing. It's always rewarding to see the portfolio grow steadily, reflecting the benefits of long-term investment mindset. Looking ahead, I plan to stick with my dollar cost averaging strategy, contributing $200 weekly to my portfolio. I'll be keeping a close watch on market trends, company financials, and to see if there are any good opportunities to buy during market dips. This disciplined approach has been working well so far, and as you can see from the 11.67% year-to-date gain. One area I'm particularly excited about is the potential for value stocks to gain traction. With the narrowing gap in earnings growth, value stocks might see some upsides, especially if the broader market catches up to the high-flying mega-cap stocks. Value investing can be very rewarding, especially when the market recognizes the true potential of these undervalued companies and what they have to offer. Additionally, I'll be monitoring the Federal Reserve's policy decisions closely. This environment requires careful attention to market signals and a flexible investment strategy to take advantage of any shifts. Staying informed about macroeconomic trends is crucial for making timely investment decisions. Thanks for tuning in to this month's update, guys. Remember, investing is a journey and it's all about learning and growing along the way. I had a lot to cover in this video and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I just appreciate all the support and feedback that you guys have been giving me lately. It means it just means a lot to me, guys. So if you guys have any questions or topic you'd like me to cover, drop a comment or reach out on my social media at MushT. Stay tuned for more insights and updates in the coming weeks, and just, happy investing.
Yeah, you better win your fight because I'm coming on your ass, boy. I'm coming for that ass. Pause.